and welcome back to Remoto. So in the title of this video we are going to be having another look at the Shoei Gt Air 3 and kind of updating you on what I've done to make this a little bit better. I brought a few negative things forward from my last video, and I had a lot of feedback on that video. Majority one of them calling me an idiot on how I didn't know how to shut the Shoei helmet, but that's okay, because this is how you live and learn, and it's how we're going to pass it on. So first thing we're going to address is how I was having trouble closing this visor from the bottom here. As you can see, you cannot shut the visor by using this little bottom tab. That bottom tab there, you cannot shut the bottom visor. However, if you just click it from the front, that's the visor now shut. So up here, you'll actually see, I don't know if you can see it on video, but there's actually this little part there. That's just to shut the visor. So you'll see, I'll just put a couple of clips in. You'll see me when I'm riding. Now I shut it from the top, and the visor shuts perfectly. So basically, all that little tab is just to help you kind of lift the visor. It's not to shut it. So if anyone's got a Shoei Gt Air 3 or a Shoei GT, or any Shoei helmet, I guess, shut it from the top. So sorry to all those people that told me I was an idiot, but that's okay. So second kind of big thing I had about was this chin strap and how uncomfortable this chin strap was. Now, after riding with it for 6 months or so, the cheek pads got quite loose. They kind of fit in, and I was having a bit of slop around the cheeks. So I put a wider set of cheek pads in. These are 35s, going up to a 39 cheek pad. That's actually kind of helped sit the helmet forward on my face more, so it's now brought the helmet kind of from here up to here. So what that's done is it's actually pulled the chin strap forward along. It hasn't fixed it completely. There's still points where the chin strap is still resting on that Adam's apple, and it still is hitting against it. It's something that I've more just kind of got used to the annoyance of. I guess it's a bit of Chinese water torture. You know, you get your water dripped on your head 1,000 times, you kind of get used to it. That's kind of what's happening with the chin strap. It still gets annoying, but I don't notice it as much now, and I've tried to now just move into constantly using a buff. I was kind of 50-50 on using these. I don't really like the feel of them around my neck, but I kind of make sure I use one of these now, because it really helps also to push that buckle forward. But other than that, it has honestly been a solid helmet. With the update of pads being tighter fit now, the noise is actually reduced. This is a really quiet helmet to start with, but the noise is actually reduced even more, so it's an even more quieter helmet. But overall though, it's still an amazing helmet. Yes, it's expensive, but the weight of it is just amazing. Like, I'm not getting a sore neck on longer trips anymore. It's just a really good helmet. Just wanted to kind of address those facts, because a lot of people that are Shoei lovers were kind of punching out against me and saying that I was wrong. And yes, I was wrong in some retrospects. The visor is supposed to be shut in a different way, but also the chin strap is still a problem. It's not 100% fixed, and people did mention that I should go for a Shoei fitting service, but unfortunately there is no Shoei fitting service in New Zealand. So it's kind of just try it yourself, and you know, I had to go and buy cheek pads again. That was another $120 already on top of a $1,300 helmet. So not the greatest that you have to go and spend another $100 just to fit the helmet to your liking, but that's okay. It's just what you have to do. Other than that, that's pretty much going to wrap it up. If you've got any more questions about the Shoei helmet, I'm happy to answer them. And basically, the helmet's still okay. It's not 100% amazing. It's still the most amazing helmet for odd head shapes. That's what I'd point it towards. If you've got an odd head shape, I'd suggest trying this helmet. And if you kind of look past the chin strap, then that's kind of okay. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this nice little short video, and we'll see you next time on Remoto. So catch you later.